got no eyebrows on, got no sleep last night. My skin is so dry. Today I thought I would film and take you along with me to the baby's hearing test. So we're going to a hearing test today at 1:30 and right now it's probably about 11 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, we're gonna go and get the baby's hearing test done, and I thought I'd take you guys along with me. By the way, welcome back to my channel. At the moment I'm literally just wearing some loungewear. You can see my breast pads just here because when you're breastfeeding your boobies leak like crazy. But I just want to say shout out to Christine for helping me love my body. Honestly, she inspires me so much and helps me love my body. So yeah. So the baby's just sleeping in my room. Take you to have a look. Such a sweet little man. I was just hard at work over here, working from home. Just sterilized and cleaned all my bottles, and here's my Haka breast pump that I literally just received today in the mail. I'm so excited to use it. So I thought I'd introduce you to my sister.
2,000 years later.
This is my sister Caitlin. Every day I find it really important to actually get up, have a shower, and kind of just make yourself feel better by doing maybe a face routine or putting eyebrows on. So I just put some Mario Badescu skincare lavender spray on my face. Blech, in my mouth. And then thumb moisturizer. So I've just got the Olay Sensitive Skin Moisturizer. And I just put that all over my face because breastfeeding has made my skin so dry. And I just need that extra moisture on my face. And then I just like to do my eyebrows so that I look a little less dead. Just have my little brush here, and then I have my Benefit Ka-Brow stuff, whatever it's called. I don't even know what the stuff's called. Cream gel brow. And I just brush my eyebrows downwards. By the way, I'm not a makeup expert. My mum thinks I am. But I'm really not. And I just fill my eyebrows in. Super simple eyebrow routine. And then while baby's sleeping, I like to be a little bit productive. I will just like clean my room a little bit. Even though it's not that messy. I want to change my sheets on my bed and put some new ones on because it's actually getting really cold. I need to put some winter sheets on my bed. After doing it, making the bed, I'm literally buggered. After having a baby, I'm so unfit. So now I'm just going to put away a few of his clothes. So I just restocked all of Coast's nappies. Yes, I'm still using disposable nappies at the moment. I have got lots of reusable nappies that I'm going to get into, but his bum is just so small, like a little newborn bum. He can really only fit that size compared to one of these like that looks small at the moment because I've buttoned it up, but I've tried to put it on his bum and it's just so bulky, so it doesn't really fit under any of his clothes. So yeah, I'm still on disposables until he can fit these, and I'm really excited to use reusable nappies. I know when Coast is gonna wake up soon because he starts to make like heaps of noises, so he'll probably wake up in about maybe 20 minutes or so. He's not making any noises right now. He's so cute. But now I'm gonna take my old sheets and go and put them in the wash. I'll move the baby back over here. Beside my bed. I love fresh sheets and a sleeping baby. And these are all his pooey nappies from last night, which I will now go and bin. These are all the reusable nappies I have, and I'm so excited to be able to collect more and more afterwards. So I have heaps of Bear and Moo ones along here, and then all the rest are just like Baby Factory ones. And then I don't know what brand that one is. Tot Spots. And then there's another one that's a different brand. This one here. Dinky nappies? Yeah. But those are all my reusable nappies that I'm excited to start using once his bum gets bigger. He was making the cutest noises. Yeah, Coasty's starting to wake up a little. He's probably trying to do a poo. Aww. I like to kind of just let him wake up on his own, so if he cries a little bit, I just kind of leave him to like wake up, because sometimes he can fall back to sleep if he cries a little bit. But yeah, just leave him in his bed if he's crying. Like, he's gone back to sleep now. Is you waking up? Good morning. Aww. Let's take the blankies off. I've got like heaps. I've got like 2 blankets on and 1 merino and 1 like woolen blanket, and then a sheet, and then he's wrapped up. Just because it's cold here at the moment, really cold. And I just like to unzip his little arms so he can move his arms about. Here you go. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You want to say hi? Say hi. Oh, the wrong way. Okay. Oh, it's a hungry baby. Are you a hungry baby? I'm a hungry baby. I look naked. I practically am. God, a breastfeeding baby. So yeah, I just sit here for about 15-20 minutes, let him feed. And I've got the Haka breast pump on, which just catches all my letdown from my other breast while he feeds on that breast. Just having that Haka breast pump sitting on my boob, it caught this much letdown, which is like 50 mils. That is freaking awesome. I love it. So that means like none of this is going to waste, because I will use it for baby later. My sister and my mum are cleaning Coast's bum, changing his nappy. See how they're doing. Oh, you don't want to stand. It's okay. Oh, the funniest noises, don't you? This outfit doesn't really go together. Look at the 2 different blues. But he's got to have a warm cardigan to go outside, don't you? We are all ready to go. And this is my attire. Docs, jeans, knitted jumper. Bean is in the car. Mother is driving my vehicle. Many people out during this lockdown. Molly. Oh my god, Macca's. So I don't actually know where this place is, so I'm just having a look to see if this is it over here. So I've got my little boo in my carrier. Frick, it's heavy. But this is my little modern Todd carrier. I nearly just crashed into that car. What way do I want to go? I won't. Yeah, the modern Todd cover, which is actually really cool. It keeps all the germs and the wind and everything off the baby, so it's nice and warm. Me and mother decided we wanted to have Starbucks, so I ordered it online and now we're picking it up. Well, I'm picking it up. Starbucks. Now that's a vibe. Yes. So the hearing test is done. We got Starbucks. And yeah, that was good, little outing. My little man had his hearing test and he passed. Both ears passed. And he was so good, such a good little bubba. Nice and calm. He's been like asleep the whole time. Look at you. Should we take that cardigan off? Ah, with a little bit of vomit on it. That's okay. Here we go, little man. That's how you do with washing when you're home alone with a baby. You put them on your tri-pillow, put them on the ground, and you'd start doing your washing because, yeah, I've got no one to hold them at the moment. Yeah. I use Earthwise, so it's Earthwise ultra sensitive, fragrance free. I use this to put on babies' clothes. At the end of the cycle, I like to put a little bit of this, which is sensitive, cuddly like conditioner. I didn't mean for him to fall asleep, but he is asleep. Okay. That's what you want to do, coasty bum. You can go to sleep if you want. So I'll probably just end the video there. I'm now just feeding again, looking naked again. It's been a pretty productive day. Finishing off just feeding Bubba. But yeah, that was his hearing test and me just kind of doing my everyday thing sort of stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little vlog of the day. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.